After you conduct a search for community assistance programs, you may find that you get a large number of results back. To make it easier for you to sort through these results, we have a feature called Narrow My Choices that lets you pare down your results to something that is more manageable and relevant to your situation. To demonstrate this feature, let's do a search on these three categories: work supports, financial strengthening, and health and wellness. Accept the terms of agreement on this page, and then on the next page, select all and click Show Results. You will see that for each main category, there are many results returned. Specifically, in our example, Work Supports has 130 listings, Financial Strengthening has 33 listings, and Health and Wellness has 144 listings. With so many choices, it can be difficult to find what you need. So let's use our Narrow My Choices feature to make this list more manageable and relevant. When you click the Narrow My Choices button, you will find that there are three ways you can filter the list. First, you can find resources that are physically near you. You enter any zip code, such as where you live, where you work, or where a family member works. The results returned will be close to your desired location based upon the zip code you entered. Second, you will find resources that are targeted to a specific income level. Many programs require that you earn within a certain income range in order to qualify. This filter will help you see if there are any programs targeted to your specific income. Third, you can find resources that target individuals residing in a specific zip code, such as people living in a specific part of San Antonio. Let's walk through each of these examples. First, let's find resources that are physically close to you. Let's say we live or work in zip code 78229, and that we want to find resources that are no more than 10 miles from your location. We would enter 78229 here, and then in the range box select 10 miles. You could also select 25, 50, or some other value, but for now we will select 10. Now click Submit at the bottom of the page. When you see the cogwheels turning, you know that the system is actively trying to find all the programs that meet this criteria. You may need to wait a few moments for it to give you back your results. And here we see it. In our example, there are 100 work support programs, 22 financial strengthening programs, and 66 health and wellness programs that are 10 miles from zip code 78229. Now let's go back to Narrow My Choices and use the second filter, Find Resources by Income Level. First, we need to remove the information we put in the first filter, so let's remove those entries. Now we will enter our income information. Let's say you earn $35,000 a year and that we have a family of 4. Let's put this information here and click Submit. The results show that there are 11 work support programs, 4 financial strengthening programs, and 33 health and wellness programs that serve individuals in your general income household size category. This does not mean that you will necessarily qualify for all of these programs, because many programs have additional eligibility requirements, but it's a good place to start looking to see if there are resources that you may be able to access based upon your income. Now let's try out the third filter, Find Resources Targeted for Your Specific Zip Code. Go back to the Narrow My Choices, remove the information we put into the second filter. Now let's say you live in zip code 78229, and you want to find all the programs that serve people living in this specific zip code. To do so, you will enter 78229 in this box and click Submit. The results in this example show that there are 109 work support programs, 33 financial strengthening programs, and 114 health and wellness programs that serve individuals living in this zip code. Again, this does not necessarily mean that you will qualify for these programs just because you live in this zip code, given that programs also have additional eligibility requirements. but it's a good place to start your search and gives you fewer resource listings to search through. So now let's see how to use each Narrow My Choices filter by itself. You should also know that you can use 2 of these filters at one time to get an even smaller, more relevant results. So for example, let's say I want to find resources that serve both your income level and are targeted to your zip code of residence. Go back to the Narrow My Choices, enter 35,000 yearly income, family of 4. Let's keep the zip code 78229 in the bottom filter and click Submit. As you can see, we have 8 work support programs, 4 financial strengthening programs, and 21 health and wellness programs that serve both individuals in your general income household size category and also serve people living in your zip code. These narrowed results will save time identifying programs for which you may qualify.